Bonjour. Hi, how you going? You alright? I've got a Pip Box. I thought I had the last of my Pip Boxes. Where is my blade? It means I'm sitting on it, doesn't it? I'm sitting on a blade somewhere. Just, no. Where the fuck have I put that? Oh, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. Found it. My eyebrow shader. It's working overtime today. Not just trying to sort my brows out, but she's also opening up my boxes for me. How's it going? Yeah, I got the Pip Box. I thought I'd cancelled it, but I think I must have just had like another month left of my subscription. I'm not cross because I love the Pip Box. The Pip Box, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box where everything is cruelty free, which if you're like me and like to do things cruelty free, it's amazing because you don't have to be like, is this cruelty free? Can I use this? Can I stick this on my face? Can I stick this on my eyes? Everything is cruelty free, so you don't have to worry. Yeah, so let's have a look. I did the 3-month subscriptions. I just kept letting it run on. It was £55 for 3 months. Oh, excuse me. This month is the All in Pink box. It's worth £86 and welcome to your October edit. This month's theme, All in Pink, is in the recognition of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Keep an eye on our socials for top tips and information to keep you safe and well. Stop, pause the video, feel your boobs. Don't pause it yet because I can tell you about how to feel your boobs. Just feel your boobs. So constant pain in your boob or armpit, the nipple becoming inverted, pulled in or changing position or shape, change in skin texture, puckering or dimpling, a lump or thickening that feels different from the rest of your boob, a difference in size or shape, a rash or redness on the nipple or skin, if you've got any discharge coming from your boobs, and swelling in your armpit or around your collarbone. These are all signs of potential breast cancer. So you need to feel your boobs, look at your boobs, check your boobs, get to know them. So if there is anything that's out of the ordinary, you know, and you can go and get it checked, because the earlier you get things checked, the better it is. We're going to go off on a little tangent here. Maybe, how old's Mika? My oldest is 7. It's like 2 or 3 years before I had my first, so like 10 years ago now probably, I felt a lump in this boob, just there, still there to be honest, and I was like, what the fuck is that? I'm gonna die. Proper panicked because I'm a very panicky person, and I went to the doctors and was like, I've got a lump in my tit. I didn't hesitate, there was no hesitation. Don't ever hesitate about going to your doctors about anything, just go and get it checked. If you're embarrassed, nobody gives a shit. The doctors do not care about looking at your boobs. They see boobs and minges and cocks and everything all the time. They don't care. Just go and get checked. Do not put it off because you're embarrassed. And I went in, wiped my boob out, and he had a feel and was like, yeah, we're going to go and get this checked. So they sent me to the hospital and they had a little look and they pulled out this fucking huge needle. And I have a phobia of needles. Well, I used to have a phobia of needles, not anymore. And I freaked out, and so they said, okay, we're going to prescribe you some sedatives, go home, we'll book you in, and on the day have some sedatives. So they gave me some diazepam, and on the day I took some, so I was a little bit relaxed, and then Ben drove me to the hospital and I laid down on the bed and I put a tea towel on my head and I told them not to talk to me, and they did a little injection of local anaesthetic and they put the biopsy needle in. They took a biopsy and they looked at my boob with all the I don't know why I'm just wanging it at you, but they scanned and everything. Ben was watching it on a HD screen. He thoroughly enjoyed looking at everything, but it was fine. It was just a lumpy fatty deposit. It was nothing to worry about, but I went and got it checked and it was fine. Moral of the story, check your boobs, don't be embarrassed. Let's get into the box. You're welcome for that little story. So first thing I'm grabbing, everybody's jumping on this at the moment. This is Our Remedy Mood Swings CBD oil. I have literally got like 9 of these now because I've bought them myself and I've had them in boxes. So I will give this away. If you want this, just comment down below, and I'll pick a winner in a week who can have it. It's CBD oil, and it is Meet Moon Swings, a much loved hero product, the winner of our Hip and Health's Best for Heroes award. Our time of the month can be a little up and down to it, always looking for new ways to balance. Mood Swings is an ingestible CBD oil. We recommend starting with half a pipette under your tongue. We always advise speaking to your doctor if you had any big concerns. You can even put it into your smoothie or hot chocolate or herbal tea. It's worth $28.99. I use CBD oil for anxiety, but I use it in a vape with no nicotine. So it's literally just CBD oil that's flavoured, and that's how I have it for my anxiety. I've tried to have it like this way under my tongue, but it just makes me feel sick, the oil under my tongue, because you have to just let it sit there for a minute, and I can't do it. So yeah, if you want this, just pop a comment. You need to be over 18. I'm not going to give it to someone that is a minor, and only in the UK, just if you want that. I'm not going to bother putting this as a giveaway, just if you're watching this and you want it, just comment down below and I'll pick someone. Next I've got We Are Paradox Repair Game Changer Hair Mask, Kelp and Seaweed. Ooh, it smells good. I was expecting it to be pink though. I'm disappointed it's not pink. The top of the lid is pink. It smells good. It says, We Are Paradox transforms dull, damaged or dry hair into astonishingly healthy looking hair, suitable for all hair types. Apply to wet hair or dry hair, brush through and leave for as little or as long as you wish. £12.50. That sounds good. Might even put it on my hair tonight because my hair is gross. Next up we've got something, mild facial cleansing soap, Balade en Provence. Cleansing soap cleanses, moisturizes and soothes your skin, leaving your face looking healthy and radiant. Enriched with French green clay to help remove makeup and impurities, rose hip oil to moisturize skin, and aloe to soothe redness. It's a perfect cleanser to use morning and night. Doesn't smell like rose, unless it's, I assume it's not in a, doesn't smell like rose, so I'll give that a go. That looks nice. Oh, it's very feels very hydrating, oily on that, so that's interesting. That is, yeah, $4.99. I've got I think this is E-Cooking by the packaging. Yeah, Anti-Redness Cream. I was literally just talking to my best mate a little while ago, saying how I've had a few people comment recently like, oh, you're very red, and I'm like, oh, and it's made me feel really self-conscious. I did put lots of blusher on this afternoon because I was like, I want the glow at night time. But yeah, I've had lots of people commenting like in the middle of the day, like when I'm not wearing makeup, telling me I'm really red, and it's just made me really paranoid. I'm really sad, and I hate the fact it's bothering me. But this is an anti-redness cream. Soothing cream that effectively reduces redness and irritation, good for sensitive skin and unclear skin. Anti-redness cream contains a mushroom that absorbs excess oil in the skin, which makes it great for oily skin. I don't have oily skin, I have red skin. We'll try it and see. And then the last thing in here is Figs and Rouge. Oh my god, that's so weird as well. I was literally just fanning around with makeup, and I was like, I want a pore cream, a pore fill-in primer, and it's a pore primer. What the fuck? £35. Shit the bed. Figs and Rouge HD Matte Veil is a weightless matte serum designed to help minimise the appearance of pores and create a sheer complexion. With a unique duo action that with anti-blemish formulation helps reduce skin impurities and combat breakouts. So when do we put this on? Blend into T-zone or over enlarged pore areas with fingertips before applying makeup. Alternatively, wear over moisturiser for a nude matte look. Have a look. Their packaging is always beautiful. Let's have a little look on here. It looks like it's got dimethicone in it. Has it got dimethicone in it? It does have dimethicone in it. Dimethicone is the stuff that is like the silicone that makes you feel like your pores are being filled. There's no smell to it. It smells of absolutely nothing. Oh, It does. I like that. You can't tell on my hands because you're not here. But it feels really nice. It's got a nice little bit of tackiness to it. I don't know how long that will last for, but I think that would be nice to like have your makeup over. I will wear that tomorrow with nothing, or just some powder, and we'll see how it is. And I'll put a comment here, or I'll pin it to let you know how it is. Really nice box. I like that. I'm happy that I still got that one. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you want the CBD oil, just pop a comment down below, and I will just randomly choose someone next week sometime. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.